الرحمن علم
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
القرآن.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Bilal Ayub. This is my second video on this channel. In first video, we talked about the Arabic alphabets. We talked about the first 11 alphabets of Arabic language. So this is our second video of the first lesson, because I've divided the first lesson into two parts. In this video, we'll talk about the rest of the letters. This one, again, we have two letters of the same shape. The first one does not have dots and the other one has three dots on top. So the first one without the dots, it is called seen, and the other one with three dots on top, the shape is exactly the same. The only difference is that this one has three dots on top of it. So this one is called sheen. It is the SH sound of English. Sheen. One more time. The first one without the dots is seen, and the other one with three dots on top is sheen. And then again two more letters of same shape. The first one again is without the dots. This one is called swad. Without the dot, this one is called swad, and the other one with a dot on top is called bod. So the first one is swad, and this one with a dot on top is bod. One more time, all four of them. That was seen. You pronounce this sound with kind of a whistle sound. There are three letters in Arabic alphabets that are pronounced with this whistle-like sound, and those three sounds are: the first is za, the other is seen, and that last one is swat. So these three letters are pronounced with that whistle-like sound. So the letters are seen, sheen, swad, bod. And again, two letters, same shape. The difference is the dot. The first one without the dot, it is twa. It sounds similar to this letter. That was ta, and this one here, it is paw. So the difference between the two sounds is that paw is more like a heavy sound, and ta, this one, was a light sound. So ta is a light sound and paw is the heavy one. And the other one with a dot on top, that is zaw. Again, this one is similar to this sound. That was za, and this one is zaw. So again, the difference between the two is that zaw is a heavy sound and za was a light one. So with a dot on top, this is zaw, and without the dot, that was twa. And one more time, two letters, same shape. The difference is the dot. The first one, as usual, without the dot, that is called ayn. and with the dot on top, that is ghain, ghain. You pronounce this one and this, both these two letters are pronounced from exactly the same point. The top one was kha and this one is ghain. Ghain, kha are two different sounds but are pronounced from exactly the same point. So without the dot, the letter is ain, ain, and that one, the dot on top is ghain. Let's read all the letters one more time. That was sin, sheen, sod, dod, ta, za, ain, ghain, and the next is fa, fa, and this one, that's qaf. The shape of fa and qaf is somewhat similar but not exactly the same, and also fa has one dot on top and qaf has two of them. So fa has one dot, qaf has two dots on top. And this is kaf. It's a similar sound again, but again the difference is that the first one, qaf, was more like a heavy sound and kaf is the light one. Kaf, qaf. With two dots on top, it's qaf, and without the dots, that is kaf. And that one, that's lam, lam. That is meme, meme. That's noon, noon. And this one, it looks like a dal, but the top part of the letter is a bit different. That is wow, wow. That one is ha, ha. There was a similar sound here, this one, but that was ha, ha. That's more like a sharp sound, ha. But this one here is more simple, ha. So one is ha, the bottom one is ha, and the top one is ha. That's the difference between the two. And this letter, that is called hamza, hamza. And the last letter of the Arabic alphabet, this one is called ya, ya. So sin, sheen, sod, dod, ta, za, ain, ghain, fa, qaf, kaf, lam, meme, noon, waw, ha, hamza, ya. So these are the 29 Arabic alphabets. That's it for today. We'll see you inshallah in the next video. Till then, take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.